Today I want to talk about the HotBox Mega. It's one of the newest products from Wham Bam. Many of you already know the original HotBox. The original HotBox was made for i3 style machines. So the Pruses, the Ender 3s, and the machines built around that platform of a 220 by 220 by 300 build area. The HotBox Mega, on the other hand, is built around the 300 by 300 by 400 machines. So the machines like the Creality CR-10 line, the Artillery X1 line, all of the larger style printers. And the actual measurements are, for the HotBox Mega, 700 by 700 by 640. And the original HotBox was 580 by 580 by 490. Anything that would fit in the original HotBox will also fit into the HotBox Mega, but this gives you more opportunity to fit larger printers. So why do you need a HotBox? Very simply, the HotBox takes you to a whole new level with your 3D printer. It allows you to print filaments that require a steady or heated ambient temperature. Filaments like ABS, PC, nylon, polypropylene, almost all of the exotic filaments which require a steady ambient temperature or heated ambient temperature, you now can print with a HotBox. HotBox gives you the ability to heat up internally just by turning on your bed heater and allowing the interior to get the temperature. Or you could add in separate side heaters to the system and you could monitor the temperature all the way along with your thermometer up here. If you should ever need to reduce the temperature, you could always open a top baffle a little bit and steady the temperature out. This is the simple 4-step setup of the HotBox Mega. I'm just going to open the box and pull out the contents. And you're going to find inside of the large bag the HotBox Mega and a set of instructions. And inside the bag you'll find 2 stickers, 2 Wham Bam stickers, a thank you note with QR links to our website and our product support page where you could find further instructions and use cases, and 2 plugs. And these plugs, these rubber plugs, we'll show you a little later for their use. So to set up, we're going to set up in 4 easy steps. One is you take it out of the box. Second step is you get it to stand up on a table. You begin to unfold and open it. You'll find that it's made out of a semi-rigid material, so it will stand up on its own. Third step is to zipper the 2 sides shut, and that will give it its nice solid structure. And the very last step, if you'll notice, our thermometer does not come with batteries. It requires 2 LR44 batteries. You've got to put those into the back of the thermometer, peel off the backing, and you'll have a working thermometer. We're not able to ship the HotBoxes with batteries anymore due to international regulations, but you can pick those up for a very low price. You can get a set of 2 on Amazon for a couple of dollars, or a set of 20 like I've done here for like $4. Okay, mounting the HotBox Mega couldn't be easier. We're going to be mounting it to a CR-10 V2 heavily modified. You'll see this machine. It's got the Mutant on it with a Bondtech and Slice hot end. It's got the Wham Bam flexible build system. It even has a custom filament runout sensor up there and the spool holder. I've taken off the spool holder arm to make mounting easier. And we just take the HotBox with the top covers removed and we position it right over there. We're going to use our repositionable covers to go back and seal up any openings that are not desired. And you're going to this. And that's it. It's set up and it's ready to go. Okay, so Here it is, the HotBox Mega mounted over a CR-10 V2. You'll notice it fits nicely inside. We have a huge window with great visibility. We've got our thermometer here reading the inside temperature. This is not heated yet. If we open up the top, it stays open and we have full access to everything inside. One of the great advantages of the HotBox is also the fact that if we need to maintain it, we could also have full access to the machine just by opening up one of the sides, swinging it open, and I could get to it. You want to come around and see? I could actually reach in here and do anything I'd like to the machine. Both sides open the same. It's really a wonderful feature. The HotBox stays up and can support itself even with the door open. Let me also show you, let me open the other side and show you our LED lights. The HotBox also comes with some loops sewn into it, so you could use our USB LED light bar. You could actually put one on each side and light up the inside of your HotBox. Okay, one of the really nice features of the HotBox is its composition. Just like the HotBox original, the panels are all semi-rigid panels. The front, the sides, the back, the top. They're semi-rigid panels of a really thick sandwich. On the outside, we have a ballistic nylon. On the inside, we have a metallic liner. Both of these are flame resistant. And in between them, there is actually a honeycomb of plastic extrusion. And this actually creates an air barrier, which creates a very good coefficient of thermal insulation. And it gives the whole product its own rigidity to stand up on its own. So some more features working our way around is over here on the side. You're going to notice that there on all sides there are cable outlet ports, and these allow you to run your PSU or any other cables like light cables in and out of the machine. It's nice to be able to keep your power supply and your motherboard outside of the heated area. It'll last a lot longer. We also have these really nifty slots for filament passage. This is if you're leading your filament from the top in, or if you have an external filament holder, and this will allow the filament to go up and down as the X gantry raises and lowers. I don't know if you can see this. I'm going to move this spool holder so we can see it. This cover covers an exhaust port, which allows you to pipe out the fumes that are created while 3D printing, especially if you're doing ABS and other dangerous materials. You could use a hose and a vent going out the window, or you can go into a filter system. When not using, you just close it back up. About the HotBox Mega, it's one of the newest products from Wham Bam.